work permit in the United States, but where to start? How long is going to take? And who is eligible? First, you need to know that to get work permit in the United States, you have to have an underlying status, some sort of an application or visa that will qualify you, allow you to file for it. Usually an application for a work permit requires you to submit Form I-765 with the USCIS. And after you do that, you will have to wait for a considerable amount of time before the work permit is granted. But the time depends usually on why you're requesting work permit. If you're an applicant for asylum and you're going to be filing in a category C8, asylum pending, it takes the shortest time. Within 45 days, you will receive your work permit, but to get to that point when you can file for it, you usually have to wait 150 days after you submit your asylum application. If you entered on parole and would like to receive a work permit, usually you would have to wait about 90 days. But sometimes it takes 7 to 8 months to receive such a work permit. And guess what? Paroles are usually given for about 12 months. By the time you receive that work permit after paying currently $410 for it, your work permit is about to expire. If, however, you're an applicant for adjustment of status, your work permit is going to be given to you for 5 years, just like for those who are waiting for asylum. Currently, it's free to file for it when you're submitting your application for adjustment of status and pay for it the filing fee. But starting on April 1st, that will change. It takes anywhere from 3 to 4 months usually to receive such a work permit based on adjustment of status pending. Other ways to receive a work permit would include filing for VAWA and being approved for it. Then you're going to receive C31 work permit. Perhaps you're an applicant for cancellation or removal, or you received withholding or removal. Again, here we are dealing with 5-year work permits. If you are filing for TPS, please submit an application for the work permit too. But in this particular situation, the work permit is going to be valid only for the validity of the TPS designation. It will be automatically extended, usually for 1 year, if your country is redesignated for TPS, allowing you not to lapse the work permit while you are waiting for your new renewal of your TPS status. But unfortunately, in the United States, there is no way just to receive work permit because you would like to receive one and not to file for asylum, adjustment of status, VAWA, or some other relief in some rare situations that would allow you to file for the work permit. So if you're planning on coming to the United States just for the work permit, think about this. It's not going to be so easy.